Alright, we got it out. Alright, see it right there. Let me get a better light here. Now, the valves are nasty, man. All of them. You guys see it in there? All 6 of them. But there's definitely something wrong with number 3 injector. Someone was in here and they see that they glue the connector. It broke back in there, and can you guys see that? Sub harness is out. That's it. We got the new injector here. Just doing that one. And the harness. There's the front hammer. That's for the right bank. Cool. If you guys want to watch that, I'm just going to assemble everything and see you at the car. Alright. I know, I'm reusing the seals on it. Something like that. It's been so long. How did I get this out of here? Give me all the cheesecake you can, please. Alright, so I got everything else in there. I pushed the car backwards. I was just concerned it was going to smoke a little bit, but I cycled the key. I checked the lines, they're all dry. And what happened? Where's the there's no codes. We had one on the brake. There we go. See, service brake system. But cleared all the codes, and the lights back on there. What do we got? Well, it's not misfiring anymore. I don't feel that, so let's see what Pandora tells us. It's got an exhaust. All right. Purge solenoid control circuit. And did I leave that unplugged? Oh, I did. Didn't I? So we have a 443. The purge valve is connected. I'm pretty sure there's brake fluid in there. Let me double check. Okay, we're driving it. I think we got a brake leak, fluid leak. Man, the intermediate muffler here or whatever, it's just loose. I still have a check engine light for the evap purge control solenoid. Not sure what happened. I think that might have been in there, so it's got to be something in that wiring harness, I'm thinking, or we just have a open purge valve. But anyway, it's not gonna make the car misfire. She's a beast. This is the next day actually. I did run some AC foam through I have a little canister that you can put to the intake, and this one has the center port for the booster on the back of the intake, so it's kind of like on top of everything. You know, you could spend hours there cleaning those valves and it's just gonna happen again, so I'd rather do it the easy way. I mean, smells like Parliament lights here, man. But that's it. Chevy Thunder. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button, and we'll see you next time.